0 Alpha Lima. Your signal report is 4949. Over. I don't think it's going to work, Rick. Go ahead. Okay, Roger, the no copy. Roger. Okay, sorry, Jim. Okay, how about you, Jim? Kilowatt 6 here, actually Delta. You're right there on the gray line. Do it to it.
No copy here on the OK. This is making it tonight.
Okay, QSL, I understand. Okay, well, Oscar Kilo 2 Victor Delta. This is Kilo Bravo 5 Mike Romeo Tango and Company. Thank you very much for stopping by the frequency. We have a lot of QRNC and a little bit of QSB going on. Very tough for everybody here stateside, but I'm very happy to made the contact with you, and I appreciate the 5 and 7 report. Have a great morning over there in Czechoslovakia. Oscar Kilo 2, Czech Republic, I should say. Oscar Kilo 2 Victor Delta from KB5 Mike Radio Tango. Over. QSL, Oscar Kilo 2 Victor Delta, KB5 Mike Romeo Tango. All right, very good. 73s, all the best. Thank you again. Please stop back by the frequency again. I know conditions are not real good here tonight, but they will get better into fall and winter.